Pythagoras Theorem. The on-screen figure shows a stamp which depicts a geometrical theorem. This figure is a right triangle with squares drawn on its sides. Now count the number of small squares in each of the large squares. So if area of each small square is 1 centimeter square, then the relation between the areas of large squares, we find that 25 is equal to 16 plus 9. That is, area of the square on largest side is equal to sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. But largest side in a right-angled triangle is opposite to the angle of 90 degree and is called hypotenuse. Therefore, square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. This relation is known as Pythagoras theorem after the name of the mathematician Pythagoras. Thus, the statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. The converse of the Pythagoras theorem is also true. The statement of the converse of Pythagoras theorem is, in a triangle, if the square on one side is equal to the sum of the squares on the remaining two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle.